Now, something else to consider, of course, as you're moving into wearing hair systems is the social aspect of it. And I really want to talk about the romantic kind of dating life side of it. Because if you are looking to attract someone inside of your life, it can be scary to think, wow, I may be more attractive now and I might have more confidence, but do I have to tell this person? Do I have to tell them I'm wearing a hair system? Will they know that I'm wearing a hair system? So the answer here is that, this is something that every person has to decide for themselves when it's the right time to tell somebody that you're wearing a hair system. If you go out on a date with somebody, I don't believe it's something that you have to tell them. This is no different than a woman having cosmetic procedures done or augmenting their appearance with makeup or anything like that. This is just a choice that we as men get to make for our personal appearance. Now, I do believe it's something that you may want to tell somebody at some moment in your relationship. If you become more comfortable with them, I really think it's something that can be a great moment between you two, because it takes a lot of vulnerability to admit to someone that you're wearing a hair system. So anyways, guys, this is something that you can get through. This is something that is going to positively impact your life for the better. This is something that you're going to look back on and you're going to think that it's an amazing choice that you made. But you got to be strong. You got to be willing to learn. And if you do, I swear, you're going to wish that you did it sooner.